look.
What is up, everybody? We are here with another video. In this video, we will be squirrel hunting, which I have not hunted on this YouTube channel before, but you actually will see a lot more squirrel or hunting in general on this channel, but there'll still be fishing and a bunch of other outdoor stuff. Well, I'm hoping to get a squirrel because I didn't. Is that a squirrel? Okay, yeah, then let's get squirrel hunting, and I will show you the pellet gun we will be using. This is the pellet gun rifle we will be using. I don't know what brand it is, but it shoots 22 caliber pellets, and it shoots around like 1,500 feet per second, something like that. I don't really know, and I put a strap on it, and this is what we'll be hunting with. I don't have a scope and I only have crosshairs, so it's gonna be kind of more difficult today. Okay guys, so we're coming up on our first spot. I won't be here for long because I can't stand for an hour or so. And usually there's about 50 squirrels at this spot, but, well, I'm over exaggerating that, but there's a lot. And yeah, I won't be here for long because the ground is wet. I usually can stay here longer when I get set down. But if the ground wasn't wet, we'd be here for like 2 hours. So I'll let you guys know if I see a squirrel. Okay guys, that spot was, usually there's a lot of squirrels in it, but I think there wasn't because the wind's blowing kind of hard. But the next spot I'm gonna go, there's a lot of trees, so the wind will start to get blocked off, and it's behind the hill. And the only thing I about saw there was a butterfly, and I ain't gonna shoot that, so. Okay guys, so we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit. And I was wrong about the wind. It's like blowing like west or whatever. So I thought it'd be blowing from like south or something. So I'll see you guys if I see a squirrel or not. If I don't see a squirrel, we might as well do like target practice or whatever. Or I'll tell you some things that might happen in the future on my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys if I see a squirrel or not. Okay guys, as soon as I stopped that last clip, I saw a squirrel. They crawled into a hole in a tree, and I'm just gonna wait until he comes out, I guess, and I'll show you where he went. Okay guys, where the squirrel went was, see that little hole in that tree? He just crawled in there. So I guess I'm gonna wait right here until he comes out. So I'll probably be here for a while till the wind calms down or something. And I just skipped breakfast or nothing because I planned on killing a squirrel. Oh well. I hope I do. Guys, I see a squirrel right there on the tree. I think you guys can see it. He's moving around. I'm gonna wait until he gets a bit closer for a good shot. See you guys when it gets closer. Okay guys, so there's a squirrel somewhere around there. And that's like the fourth squirrel I've seen today. I just need one to come really close, which is kind of hard because over here the wind's blowing towards me and they don't like the wind. Holy crap, and my gun just fell. Okay guys, as I was just about to leave, I see two squirrels, and I'm gonna get closer, see if I can get a shot at them. See you guys oh, third one. Okay, I'll see you guys if I get one. Okay guys, so that spot over there, there's plenty of squirrels, but like 6 of them crawled in that same hole, and I don't know why, but I never could find any. Yeah, so if I had a scoped rifle, that'd be way easier because it was like 100 yards away, and I don't take those kind of shots on this pellet gun. But I guess we'll do some target practice or something like that, and I will see you guys when I'm shooting water bottles. Okay guys, so these are the water bottles we're gonna be shooting up there. Yeah, by the pond I was gonna build. Well, I still am, but it's gonna happen in the summer. I'm gonna work on it some more. And I will see you guys while I'm shooting. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shoot the water bottles with my target practice and that's I hate it! Yay! Now I gotta get that second one. Now it... Stop! I get it, you're farting, but I know it's hard to hold in, but seriously though. I hit it, yay! Okay, let's go look at the water bottles so I can confirm I actually hit them. And I don't know where I hit it. Oh, I hit it right there. Where the water's dripping out. And this one, the water's dripping out on both sides. So yeah, I hit them. But I'll need to practice a little bit because I ain't gonna waste 12 shots for 2 squirrels. Some things that will be happening in the future in this YouTube channel is we will be doing trapping because I recently had to do pest control. There's a lot of moles and everything, and it's tearing up a lot of stuff, and I'm going to trap some possums and maybe some rabbits and squirrels. If it's rabbit and squirrels, I'm going to eat those because they're, I've had rabbit before, that's pretty good. But other than that, yeah, I'll do trapping, and I'm getting a mini ATV in probably like next winter, which it's almost winter right now, which is gonna take me a little while to save up for, but anyway. And yeah, that's pretty much, oh yeah, instead of filming my YouTube videos on my iPhone 8, I will be getting a new, better phone, iPhone XR, so it'll have better clarity and everything, and that'll be good. And I'm gonna get one of those things that'll hold your phones on your head and all that stuff. And yeah, then we'll just go fishing and all that cool stuff. And yeah, that's the future things that will be happening on our YouTube channel. Some also more future things that are gonna happen is in March time, which is probably gonna be my next video, we're gonna be trout fishing like we did our 20 subscriber special catch and cook a while ago. And oh boy, I am ready for March. I got a Fluger President 30 spinning reel for trout, really smooth, and I got a Ugly Stick ultralight 7-foot rod, And whoo, it casts out like a football field. I ain't kidding about that either. Yeah, so we're gonna be trout fishing, and that'll be super fun. And in springtime when bass are bedding and everything, oh, I got the lures. It's gonna be a good year. 2020, it's like the 26th or something like that. I'm not sure. But 2020, the beginning of it, ooh, it's gonna be a good year for my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys later. Peace.